Welcome to Upsolvers. In this video, I will show you how to remove YouTube Playables section from YouTube. So this is a fun and useful section. You can play games on YouTube. But if you are a business and you feel that it's a distraction, you can remove this section from YouTube. And you can always access it later from the left side panel. To do that, under Explore, click Show More and then click Playables, or go directly to youtube.com/playables to see all the games. But if you want to remove this section from the YouTube homepage, in front of YouTube Playables title, click cross button. And that will remove Playables from YouTube. Now, if I reload the page, I won't see Playables here. To access the Playables again, expand Explorers section and click Playables. It will bring me to youtube.com/playables and I can access the games at this page. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.